Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today. The 2025 Honda County Route 300 is the newest chapter in Honda's rich legacy of off-road domination. Built for motocross enthusiasts, this bike merges decades of racing innovation with cutting-edge performance and reliability. It's a machine crafted for those who crave raw power, precise handling, and aggressive styling all in one rugged package. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CR300 lies a high-performance 295 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, delivering explosive power across the rev range. Tuned for optimal torque and rapid throttle response, the engine offers racers and trail riders an ideal balance of top-end speed and low-end grunt. Whether you're launching off a gate or powering up a steep hill, the CR300's motor ensures you're always in control and ahead of the pack. Chassis and suspension. Honda has equipped the CR300 with a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame for razor-sharp handling. The updated geometry offers improved stability on high-speed straights and more nimble cornering. The Showa suspension system, with fully adjustable forks and rear shock, is designed to soak up the most punishing terrain from rocky trails to motocross whoops. The suspension travel is generous, ensuring a plush ride without compromising performance. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 County Route 300 boasts aggressive bodywork with slim plastics, a narrow seat, and improved rider triangle positioning. This not only reduces weight but also gives riders better control and maneuverability. The bike's graphics are factory-inspired, and the color scheme reflects Honda's iconic racing DNA, bold red with subtle black and white accents. Everything from the gripper seat to the knurled foot peg screams race-ready. Brakes and tires. Stopping power is handled by high-performance wave disc brakes front and rear, offering superb modulation and control even under harsh braking. Paired with Dunlop GeoMax tires, the CR300 offers outstanding traction on all surfaces, whether it's soft loam, slick mud, or hard-packed dirt. Technology and features. While it maintains the simplicity that two-stroke lovers admire, the 2025 County Route 300 includes a modern digital CDI ignition for more efficient combustion and better starting. Lightweight components, a redesigned airbox for improved airflow, and a quick-access clutch system make this bike not just powerful but also practical for racers and serious trail riders alike. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda County Route 300 isn't just a dirt bike, it's a declaration of performance, agility, and heritage. Whether you're a competitive motocross rider or a weekend warrior, the CR300 offers an exhilarating riding experience that only Honda can deliver. It's more than just a bike, it's a weapon built for victory.